Hello, my name is Mike Taylor, Vice President of Marketing here at Gobe Trade House, and I want to thank you for taking the time to view this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to contact me, my info is in the description of this video. With that being said, inside of this video is for anyone that's new to Gobe Trade House, anyone that's currently in Gobe Trade House and want to know what's going on, new that we have to offer, or someone that maybe even was with us in the past. And here's an invitation to come back. And I'm going to give you multiple reasons why. But there's going to be two things in particular I want you to pay attention to in this video that should get you very, very excited. And at the end, I'm going to offer you a limited time discount. So stay tuned. First of all, I got to give you a disclaimer. Can't guarantee you any money. You know what I'm saying? Any information that I share is based on past results, but I cannot guarantee any future results. So, before I get into my couple of new things, I do have to cover real quickly, real briefly. Who is Gobe Trade House? What do we have to offer? What is our product or service, right? Well, our main product is actually the Academy, right? For those of you that want to learn how to trade Forex. Now, if you keep watching, you will see that you don't have to actually learn how to trade Forex. I have an autopilot software that's going to actually trade for you on autopilot. However, I'll get to that point in a minute. For those of you that actually want to learn how to trade Forex, we actually have an academy. I'm going to put it up right quick. And inside of our academy, this is like in my courses or back office area or whatever. And I'll just click on one of these real quick. But if I go to the academy right here, you will see we actually have a pretty good trading academy back here where you can actually learn how to trade Forex. So taking a second to load. My computer a little slow. I'll give you just a little, it's very professional, very sleek. Relative strength index. Everything is laid out, and it's teaching you how to become a Forex trader. So this academy is very smooth. It's very new. You know what I'm saying? We didn't have our academy was something differently at first, but now we have this new academy in the back. It's very straight to the point, easy to learn how to start trading. With that being said, let me get back to my slides here. And we also have our Gobe Sniper Analyzer. Once again, this is like an indicator that will show you when to buy and sell inside of the market. You set up this software and it will locate buy and sell signals so then you can jump into those trades and make sniper entries and make money. Now, this is actually our flagship product, and probably I would say 99% of the people when they join our business, they join it for the Gobe Copycat. The Gobe Copycat is an automated software. So when we send out trade signals in a Telegram, right? Now you do have the option to manually copy and paste these trades. Like just take our trade idea, put it in MT4, and you can make money, right? However, you can actually set up this copycat software and you can do this hands free, meaning we send out a signal, it automatically copies over to your MT4 and it's going to open and close, and you're going to be able to make money on autopilot while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you're doing other things. That's exciting enough, right? However, with this copycat, we're also showing people how to take $100 and compound it up into $9,000. Don't believe me? Once again, I will go into my back office and show you. So let me, the proof is in the pudding. So let me go to my dashboard real quick. Go to my courses. You see right here, we got compound and mastery, right? And if I go into this section, trade will add $96 to your cumulative profit and take okay, your total balance. So if you see, we have the lessons right here that explains everything, that shows you how to do it. And then if you go right here, we got our trading plan. I just double click on it. And you'll have access to all of this once you join. But when I get back here, I actually got my spreadsheet, and it's actually showing me how to go ahead and compound my account from $100, all the way up. So it's very easy. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna tell you what really has me excited. What really has me excited is something that I discovered while I was compounding my own account that's actually allowed me to collect way more pills per day than I've ever collected in my life. And you're about to not only see the results, but you're also about to have access to be able to do the same thing. And it's completely on autopilot. Now, let me ask you a question. If you ever traded Forex before, if you haven't, then this is not for you. But if you have traded Forex before, and say you've been in a trade, and let's just say that trade was $20 or $30 in a profit, and then maybe you went to sleep or you went about your day, and you thought maybe when you woke up or when you check your next trade, you're gonna see a profit, right? And then you wake up and that trade turns all the way around and it turns into a loss. Give me a like on this video if that has happened to you and you would like to solve that problem where it could never ever happen to you again. If you want to be in a position where, hey, if I'm 20, $30 up, I don't care if I'm $5 up, I can secure that profit. But if it keeps to go up, I still want to make money, right? Well, what I figured out is our Forex Copycat actually has a feature in it called an automated trailing stop loss. And don't worry, I would actually show you as a member when you join me how to set up this automatic trailing stop loss. It's a simple setting. I will give you my personal settings. It would take you literally 10 seconds to put in my personal settings and allow this thing to run on autopilot. So let me be more specific and what do I mean? So let's just say you had a trade that goes 20 pips in a profit, right? Now, usually what happens is if you got a take profit in place and say your take profit is 20, 25 pips, it's going to cash you out with 20 pips and you're done, right? Or if that trade retraces and it goes and hits your stop loss, then you're going to lose, right? Those are the only two results you can get. But with this automatic trailing stop loss, what you can do is you can set it up where when you get 20 pips in the profit, it actually moves your stop loss up to 10 pips, which means now you have 10 pips secure, right? But every time the trade increases 5 pips, right, in profit, then it will continue to move your stop loss 5 pips over and over. So now, if it goes up to $25, I'm gonna secure 15. It goes up to $30, I'm gonna secure 20. It goes up to $500, I'm gonna secure 495. I mean 490. Now, that should be exciting to you because not only that, I can also show you how to set it up where you can get however many pips you want. So if you want to get 300 pips on a trade, 1,000 pips on a trade, whatever, you can set it up to keep trailing your stop loss until eventually it turns around. So I'm going to show you what happened to me. So if you look at my proof right here, you'll see I've been doing it. I've been using this strategy for about a week on autopilot. And what happens is my trades, some of these trades I probably would have only made $30 or $40 on, but because of the automatic trailing stop loss, it kept going up and it kept saving my stop loss and whatever. So now I want to say one more thing, and I'm gonna close this video out because I don't want it longer than 10 minutes. I want to use this example again. So, just in case I got somebody on the video that doesn't know a lot about Forex but want to make money, I want to explain this in more simple terms. Okay, so first of all, if you don't know nothing about Forex but you want to make money with this, you want to make money like this, you want to make $1,000 in a week on autopilot, all you got to do is set up this software, follow the directions, and we're gonna do all the work. But I want to explain this in more simple terms. So let's just say you go $20 in the profit, right? Instead of just making $20 and calling it a day, I have a setting that you can put where we'll secure $10 of profit for you and allow the trade to see if it's going to continue to go up in profit. If the trade decides, hey, I'm about to go down and it's going to turn around and go into negative, instead of it going into negative, since you already secured $10, it would just go ahead and cash you out with that $10. You won't lose anything, but at least you made something. However, let's say that trade goes up in profit $300, right? Well, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and keep securing every time it goes up $5, it's going to secure $5. So if it goes up to $25 in profit, it's going to secure 15. If it goes up to $30, it's going to secure 25. If it goes up to $100, it's going to secure 90 or 95. I hope that makes sense to you. But if it don't, just get into the training, get with me after you join. I'll make sure you understand it. So with the automatic trades, the trailing stop loss, and the ability to be able to get as many pips as you want with the trailing stop loss, then now when you look at this chart, and you say I only need to get about 10 or 20 pips a day with the strategy. If you know anything about Forex with the information that I just told you, you should be excited and you should be kicking down my door and ready to join or rejoin or whatever the case may be, because you know that you're going to be able to automatically secure 10 or 20 pips per day. But if it goes farther, 100 pips, 50 pips, or whatever, you're going to be able to get that profit too without having to worry about the trade turning around, because you're securing your profit with an automatic trailing stop loss. So with that being said, $14.99, y'all. $15. The cost of a double cheeseburger at Wendy's with a fry and a large frosty. You know what I'm saying? That's how much it costs to get access to a system that made me this last week. A system that made me this last week, $14. Now it's normally $149 per month, but for the first month, I'm willing to give you a trial for $14.99. This is a limited time offer. Depending on when you see this video, this offer may not be available, but I will guarantee you this: I will always be able to offer you at least 50% off the first month. So if you can't get in on this deal, because this deal is only good for a few more days, so if you can't get in on this deal, don't be discouraged. Still contact me. I can still offer you 50% off. But this particular week only, I'm offering 90% off the first month. $15. A Wendy's hamburger, large fry, frosty. Maybe can't even get that for $14.99. But you can get something that can make you plenty of money, plenty of pips, plenty of cash that can change your life. It is completely on autopilot. Set it and forget it. Let us do all the work. I'm so excited to work with you. My name is Mike Taylor, signing off. If you want to get started, look in the description of this video and then go ahead and get started, or reach out to me on Facebook, email. My phone number is in the description as well. Just make sure you text me first, and I'll be glad to work with you. I'll be glad to give you my promo code, and let's get started and let's make money. Go be great.